Look at that. Yeah. So today we're going to be using a London Broil. And a London Broil essentially is a top round. And the top round is, you know, a very tough cut of meat because it gets a lot of work on the cow and it actually doesn't have a lot of fat on it. So I've decided to keep a little bit of fat there on top and marinated this for 2 days. And I mean, that's why the color changed and that's why it looks fantastic. This over here is a little itty bitty thing called the filet mignon. Mignon, you guys know the deal. I just like to call it a mignon because it's fun. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that little ding-a-ding, that little tricycle bell to make sure you get all the notifications, you know. So what we have here is my junkyard dog. This is actually a Napoleon 22-inch kettle. This thing is like $550, man, but I got this thing off of Facebook for 30 bucks. No crap. The wheels were busted on it and, you know, it was in very poor shape, you know. So I took it and I went and painted this up and cleaned it up a little bit. It's a little dirty because it's been outside and I don't have a cover for it yet, but I got new wheels, put some axles through here, threw the wheels on there, and it's awesome. You know what? Right now it's working. I mean, I went and got some new grill grates and I also got a slow and sear. See, there's a slow and sear in here. So we got 2 zones. We got sear zone and we got smoking zone. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and use this indirect style and we're gonna go ahead and put our London Broil right here. All right. London Broil is down. All right, so this is what our filet looks like. It looks like it's about done. Go ahead and grab that. Yes, sir. Look at that. That looks amazing. We're gonna slice into that. That'll be our little snack. Okay, boys, let's see what we have. So I moved it over here just to make sure that we can get some more heat on this side. And we're at 129, 130, 131. Perfect. All right, boys, we're definitely searing off on here. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Ooh, look at that nice sear. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and leave that. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and grab this, get it over here. What we're gonna do is go in the house and wrap this up and let it rest. Oh man, I'll tell you what, this shit smells so good. I mean, man, that marinade really hit it, Now, I didn't hit the filet. This is just some Cosmos rub on here. So what we're gonna do is we need a knife, man. Eeny, meeny, miny. Which knife should we use? Most of them are not even in here. They're in my knife roll, but we're gonna choose this. Eeny, meeny, miny. What the? All right, let's see what we got with this filet. I mean, it's looking good. It's looking mighty good. Let's go ahead and cut right here. Oh shit! Look at it. Look at it. Oh man, that filet looks good. Juicy, super juicy. Okay. So, I mean, we're already cutting against the grain, right? You see where the grain is? We're already cutting against the grain. So, let's just go ahead and get one to eat. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Yeah. That Cosmos is hitting, baby. Hey, nice and smooth, soft, super juicy. I'm telling you, that's about tenderest cut you're gonna get, man. Man, I'm telling you, I love the filet mignon. Woo, that filet mignon. All right, so here goes our nice London broil. Now, it's been resting for about 15 minutes. Now you see the grain runs this way. So what we'd like to do is get this old lefty in here like this. Boom. Now, we're gonna take this part and we're gonna cut against the grain this way. What I like to do is kind of get a off-kilter slice and just slice into it like this. Now what we're gonna see is on the thin end, you're gonna have some closer to well, medium well pieces. And then as we cut to the middle, you're gonna start seeing the nice juicy pieces that we like the most. See that? Woo-wee. Ooh, it's nice and hot still. Now this is great for parties because you're gonna have different temperatures of doneness, so everybody's gonna be happy, right? Everybody's gonna have what they want, right? So this is great for sandwiches. Keep the slices nice and thin. You see that pink in there? That's what I'm talking about, baby. Now, look at that grain. See the grain? Okay. Now make sure that you cut against it. Woo, nice, right? Okay, see the grain running this way? Just cut against it. Get you a nice slice like that. Woo! All right, that's good. Man, that marinade's hitting. I'll put that marinade recipe in the description so you guys can have that. That shit is crazy. Pretty good. London Broil, folks. Some of the most delicious shit you're gonna have for cheap. London Broil cuts are cheap, man. Man, that's good. Too bad nobody's here to share it with me. You guys aren't even here. You didn't even show up. Got the invite, didn't even show up. So I'm all by myself with this whole London Broil. Man, and I already crushed that filet mignon, so it's just this left over. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And you know what? Thanks for watching. Wouldn't be here without you. Bye.